the balls on the thing. Now, my brother, around the corner, there was a friend of my father's, Mr. Greiner. He was a German guy, German descent. They were very close friends, the yards. They talked to one another, the yards. It was right around the corner. He had a son, he had two sons. One of them graduated from the Fire Department Academy. My brother was passing by, he was in full dress, they were taking pictures. You know, the son was full uniform. That impressed my brother. So Gates Avenue, the building my father owned on Gates Avenue, was a flat roof. There's no wall that I just described. That was it. I think the gutter, something was separated where the water was just pouring off the, you know, and not down the gutter, down the drain. My father had to fix it. So at that time, my brother used to get the brunt of it. He had to go help my father. So he brought all the tools. The famous tool of my father was a hammer. He called it a hammer. So my brother's telling my father, "Oh, sure, Mr. Grinder's son, he graduated from the fire academy, he had the uniforms, impressive. But I may want to maybe join the fire department, you know, work for the city." And my father said, "Okay, good." So they get the house, they put all the tools in the middle of the roof. Now here's the roof.
Yeah.
That's the drop. My father's standing right there, like 6 inches away. He's looking surveying the damage.
Right.
So he tells my brother, "Give me the hammer." You know, building. My brother gets the hammer, and he's approaching the end of the roof where my father's standing. He's going like this. "Give me the goddamn," my brother's telling me that, "Give me the goddamn hammer." He's banging away. That was the end of the fucking fire department job.
Wow. Yeah,
Give me the goddamn hammer. Oh my God.
I don't like heights either.
Didn't phase him. I don't know what to do. Unbelievable. I think of these stories, holy shit. Did all the fixing himself, all the repairs himself. Couldn't call a tradesman to call. He'd be in a red.
Yeah.
Did all that shit himself. Amazing. Yeah.
Chris, you think those breads would be alright? They wrapped them in foil, not in foil, in plastic wrap at the store, and then I put them in the vacuum sealer, but I didn't pull all the air out because it was crushing the loaf.
Howdy,
I
guys.
sealed it, and I put them outside. In the truck.
Tonight, we're going to draw Colossal.
Yeah, because it's wrapped in that
I've been wishing to draw
shit that you
the original form for Colossal for
clear wrap, plastic wrap.
Yeah, it should be all right.
Robin had them wrap every freaking one.
after
And
the
it's wrapped in paper
starts
too.
for my
It's wrapped in Ivory paper, then it's wrapped in plastic wrap.
store for the start for
That's
Sword and Shield to be
too,
released.
And I had like, 4 more loaves. And let me get those done too.
Now, what kind of bread did you get?
No, I got the long Italian breads. So I got a couple of semolina, and I got just a couple of regular, seeded and unseeded. And then I got one big round one.
They had the meat bread also with the prosciutto.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's not gonna last you very long. I'm like, well, what am I gonna do? Get a year's worth and bring it down? But she did have a good idea. I should ask Paulie for pizza dough and sauce. This way she can make her own pizza dough.
Could do that. You pre-make it and freeze it.
Yeah.
There we are.
Yeah, man.
Those are the pizza.
So you're gonna use the best quality ingredients, or?
Nah, you gotta use the best.
Yeah, okay.
This guy is a fire and rock type.
guy? See this guy's picture. What does he do?
This is the guy who owned the Bitcoin thing, Sam
FTX.
Bankman-Fried. He was the one taking the money from his clients and giving it to the freaking Democrats.
43 million? What's it for?
Yeah.
Holy
He said for Capitol Hill grilling.
fuck. Oh my God.
How could this guy not been arrested already? He stole people's money.
Jesus Christ.
Billions.
Wow. I just hope when they take over the Congress that they do the right thing with these committees. Now they control the committees.
Yeah.
They can subpoena anybody they want.
But now doesn't it switch in January?
Yeah. January 6th, yeah. January, I forget, January.
So it's early January.
Yeah.
So soon the Republicans are going to be in control of all the freaking all the
Yeah.
committees. They're going to get rid of those, toss those people right
This
off.
is why.
Shit.
This is one of Colossal's special abilities. This
Yeah.
Pokemon
Jordan off a committee, the other guy
protects himself with hot coals
Yeah.
stacked on top
They're
of his
gonna get
skull.
thrown off now.
That's
And
what he
They can release all the emails and everything about January 6th.
uses
Yeah.
it
Because
to.
they could be in charge of that committee too.
Yep.
Uses it to
I think I told you, Chris. I had
to
lunch
assist others
with my friend
and
ex-FBI
also
guy about a month
to
ago.
protect his allies.
Wasn't a happy camper. He didn't tell me anything specific. But
That's how you
know
draw
the guy wants to
Coalossal.
Tell you something
Good night,
without
guys.
telling you?